When there was a 1% of chance, we were there, by your side, believing unconditionally. Because life doesn't give us any other option besides this, to believe. We are optimists by nature, and this is why we got here. They say we're a benchmark at what we do, but our greatest benchmark is life. Because of life, we implemented cutting-edge processes, high technology, and the most advanced molecular diagnostics techniques. It is because of life that all our effort is worth it. We consolidated international partnerships, we improved, and we got involved in every aspect of the transplantation process. And you know why? Because it is worth it to see the smiles, the hope, and the gratitude. We are the life that keeps on going. We're the science, the dedication, and the imagination. We are made of people, of dreams, and accomplishments. We're Biometrix. We innovate. Life renovates.